There's a silent truth that no one tells you in school. You can get 100 out of 100 in your exams. You can become topper in your class and still stay broke in your entire life. You can work hard every single day but still feels the weight of money stress holding you back. Why? Because they never teach you how to think about money. Not in school, not in the most homes. But by the time we realize it, it often been too late. Let's change that now, before money learns to control you. 1. Why money mindset matters. You are not too young. In fact, you are 14, 15 or 16. This is a perfect time. While most people your age are distracted by games, gadgets or short-term funds, you can quietly build something powerful. A mindset that attracts not just money but freedom. Freedom to choose your own path. Freedom to say no to stress, pressure, or fake success. Freedom to live on your own terms. Most adults wish that they have started earlier. You still have time. Use it. 2. The 3 lies most people believe. Let's burst some myths you probably already heard. Lie 1. You need a job to earn money. Truth. You need skills and ideas. Job can come and go. Skills stay. Ideas grow. Lie 2. Saving is enough. Truth. Saving makes you safe, but investing in yourself, in asset, is what makes you free. Lie 3. Start later. When you earn. Truth. By then, your habits are already set. You're either a spender or a builder. The real game starts in your teens, not your 20s. 3rd, your beginner blueprint. Here's a simple formula to begin your journey. No big words, just real steps. Step 1. 30-10-60 rule. Imagine you have 100 rupees. Rupees 30 needs like food, books or internet. 10 wants, snacks, games or things you enjoy. 60 invest in yourself, course, skills, books and tools to grow. This is not just about managing money, it's about learning to control. The earlier you learn it, the richer your mindset becomes. Step 2. Build before you buy. Let's say that you want headphones or Canva Pro. Most teens just ask parents to save a little, but here the better way. Build a fund. Earn through some small service. Design something, edit videos, start a mini hustle. Before you buy something, ask yourself, can I build first? That's how you become a creator, not just a consumer. Step 3. Make your money map. Every single day, ask yourself, what's my mission? Is this expense helping it or hurting it? If your mission is to become free, then your money decisions must support that, not delay it. Here's the truth. You don't need thousands of rupees to begin. You just need clarity. You need to pause, to think, to act with intention. Every rupee you learn to control now is like a training session for the lakhs, even crores. You will handle one day. If you forget everything I've said, remember just this. If your money has no mission, someone else will use it for theirs. Start today quietly, consistently, powerfully, because your future self is already watching and they are hoping you don't waste this chance.